Step-by-step construction, modern fuel station. Stage 1. Initial excavation and site preparation. Construction begins with raw site preparation. Unlike modern excavations, which are often reinforced concrete vaults, as seen in image_0.png. This site shows massive, open trenches dug directly into the deep red clay. There is no complex shoring. A heavy, old-fashioned yellow crawler excavator, not a modern backhoe, is working to clear a pit for the fuel storage. Site workers, wearing canvas shirts and classic hard hats, are manually preparing the uneven ground where the future single-pump island will stand. The background shows the steel frame of the garage beginning to rise in a field. Stage 2. Tank positioning and foundation. In this stage, we transition from digging to installation. Following the excavation defined in Stage 1, two large, simple, single-wall steel storage tanks, far less complex than the multi-chamber USTs in the modern diagram, are lowered into the pit. A massive, vintage mobile lattice crane, distinct from modern hydraulic cranes, positions the tanks within simple, non-reinforced concrete cradles. Crucially, as a non-modern station, there are no leak detection systems, vapor recovery lines, or advanced containment vaults shown in the pit. The focus is purely on structure. The concrete block foundation, walls for the main office and the service bays are visible rising from the ground. Stage 3. Building structure and above-ground elements. The construction site now shows significant vertical progress. The red clay pit is backfilled, and the ground around the station is leveled with rough gravel. Following the foundations laid in Stage 2, the non-modern service station, a classic 1940s-style brick building, is rapidly taking shape. Masons are actively laying red brick walls for the small office and two distinct service bays, garage doors are already installed. Crucially, the canopy, which was massive and complex in the modern reference, is here a minimalist, cantilevered structure made of simple, exposed painted steel beams, covering only a tiny footprint. The first simple, vintage, clock-face fuel pump housing, without electronics, is being bolted to a single concrete island, standing in stark contrast to the multi-dispenser modern islands. Workers are running simple metal piping, black iron, from the pump island toward the fill points, with no plastic conduit visible. Stage 4. Completion and final pavement. The non-modern station construction is complete. Moving from the active vertical build in Stage 3, the classic 1940s brick building now stands finished, featuring the painted garage and service signs. The site has shifted from rough gravel to smooth, fresh asphalt pavement.